back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to make our laundry. Just pouring out water because we don't have enough water, so he needs to go and get water.
I did it. Is that enough?
Yes, that's enough now.
Okay, my job's done here.
Rinse this one.
Alright, so we're rinsing.
Yes, rinse it well.
How do you go about rinsing?
Wait, I will give you a chair. Pato chair tayo. Ito na yun. Yeah, have a sit. Sit down.
I think I need it over here, don't I?
No, just here.
Okay, where do I put it once it's done rinsing?
There.
Oh,
One.
see?
It's okay.
Okay, so I rinse it like this.
Have you done this in your life?
No, I never did this.
Oh my gosh.
This is too difficult.
Not too difficult.
I give up. I already give up.
You have to learn how to do it. This is how Filipino.
So how do you know when it's done rinsing?
This, wait.
How can you tell? I think it's all finished.
You just do this. Oh. Like that. Like that. Okay. See guys, who knows how to wash laundry?
I do laundry. I used to do laundry for a living, but not like this.
And
These big machines.
this is how we do our laundry here in the province. So you have to learn how to make it so that
I can do whatever it takes.
yeah, right. See, you're good at that. Just hold this what do you call that? The neck of the shirt. Just hold it and just do that.
What about turning it inside?
No.
Right side out.
No, no.
Yes, we have to.
The dirt will be outside. Like that.
What are you talking about?
It's supposed to be like this so that if ever there's dirt, it's gonna be inside of your shirt. My God.
If ever. Oh my gosh, she says if ever. If ever. I don't know
You know,
what that
guys,
is.
we have a lot of laundry. Since you arrived here in the Philippines, we didn't wash laundry.
Well, what do you want me to do about that?
What do you think?
Yeah? What?
Nothing.
What?
You're just doing it well.
What should I do?
That's right.
I'm trying my best.
Yes.
I'm trying my best, and what does she do? She just laughs at me. So now what? It makes me want to just stop doing it and go over there.
No. You have to finish this.
You're discouraging me. I'm doing it. This is what happens, everyone. This is what happens, everyone. This is why men don't do this too often. Because she just laughs at me when I'm trying to help. Oh, that's the last one. Oh, that's dirty.
Okay, go and try it now.
What?
You can do that.
You're kidding me, right? I won't do this. It's gonna hurt.
Just like that. Just like that. Okay.
Sabalaita.
I can do it. So stop.
You didn't have that in your life, so
I did it.
when?
When?
Ah, in your...
When did I do it?
Oh, you don't know how to do that. That's wrong. No,
It works.
that's not right. Here,
That works, doesn't it?
Hmm.
Why?
just like this.
Suli ata, suli ah. Kaya para hindi siya may kwan.
You have to do this.
My way was easier. Stop it.
Then sa iya ginapaha.
Like that. See? Ah.
Mm.
Yeah, that's better.
Do you think it's better?
Yeah, probably a little bit.
Better, not a little bit.
It's like this. Then like this.
Ah.
See?
Yes, guys. They're so quick.
Quick learner. You only have to show me one time. Remember that.
See, just do this. Before you hang there, just do this to your shirt. Just. See? Okay, guys, so we're finished now for the first batch of our laundry. So we'll hang it in their neighbor's house. I mean, my sister's house. We will go there. My sister's house.
Alright.
Stop. Be careful.
Got him.
Ari na.
Uh-oh. Oh! My gosh! Okay guys, sasampay na po kami ngayon. Wala kaming sampayan sa bahay. Basta man ay. Baliskad na na. Umiban lang.
Yeah! What's wrong with this? Huh? Why does it have to be like that? Why can't it be like that?
What?
Why do you have to turn it?
Okay guys, we're finished. Ano lang nakarandaan? Hindi pa, meron pa.
We did it.
Yeah.
Thanks everyone for encouraging me so much in this effort. So we accomplished.
Second batch there.
Oh, come on.
Come on.
We're done.
Not yet. We have second
Well, where are
batch.
we gonna put the second batch? Look at this.
Ah, sa
Here,
kilid.
another one.
Oh, there's more.
Here.
Darn.
This one.
Oh, okay. I see more. Okay, we can continue.
Okay, what can you say to the
I already said what I had to say. We did it. No problem. Lickety split.
Ah, look at that. There's another. Make a mess.
You were holding that one. Just rub it out.
Di mo na, yan na.
That's how you do it.
Wala na, nawala na.
Pour water in there.
Like that?
Water.
Done.
Yeah, it's not gone. That was unnecessary.
Okay, I'll finish now. Let's go and go back to the second batch. Bye. Hi guys, this is the second batch of our laundry. And I think my sweet is very tired now. Are you tired?
Oh my. Too much.
Oh my gee, your mommy will watch the video. Your mommy will find out that you wash your laundry like that.
She will be proud.
She will be mad.
She will be proud.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course.
A few moments later.
Finally guys, we're almost finished. We're all done this. Tiring chores.
We have no choice. Who else would do this? Maybe Bugard. Ah, Bugard. Hello. Bugard?
Bugard?
Don't walk away from me, Bugard.
Okay na nito.
Guard.
Okay na nito.
Okay guys, thank you for watching to our YouTube channel. Hope to see you next time.
Bye bye.
Yeah, we'll just finish this and good.
Okay na?
Right.
Yes, we'll be glad to be finished.
Yeah, finally.